So first of all, you need to go to your recovery mode. I enabled the encryption earlier. So just type your screen lock password and it will take your data. Now I have to wipe and go to advanced wipe. There will be cache, system, data, internal, cache. You can uncheck internal also. So just now it will, so go back, and go to install section. Select video. Now select where you file. Now select where you place your file. I have placed this file in Miui10 folder. So this is a file. I will give it to you link in the description below, so you can download it from there. Just tap on install and swipe to install. Now it is updating your file. TWRP is a must for this update, so remember you have TWRP installed and unlock bootloader. If you want TWRP in your phone, then link is in the description below. I have made a separate video on it, so you can check from there. So just go to install section and reflash your recovery through Miui, because in this update your Miui recovery is back, so you will lost your TWRP recovery. So just install image. Redwolf unofficial wins 2 image. It's a recovery, so just flash it. Now you can tap on it, reboot system. Okay. Now my device is rebooting. Now you have successfully flashed Miui10 ROM. You can see it's very fast. as compared to Miui 9. Very much. Camera is also very working well. Apps are changed. You can see weather, it's changed, and clock and MIAL you can देख सकते MIAI you can see, but it is China. Clock is changed as well, it's dark black. Calculator is also changed. Now contacts also changed, you can see, and icons setting is changing very much. Remember, this is a China developer room, so all things in China. Google camera is working. If you enable, this is a sample shot from Google camera. Google camera is working as well in this, but you have to flash this zip file. Camera to API. You have to flash this file to enable camera to API in our phone, and Google camera is working as a charm. WhatsApp Messenger no force close issue. PUBG Mobile is working very well in this game, and this is very fast as compared to Miui 9. So I will review this full ROM. So stay tuned with my channel. Like, subscribe and comment if you have any queries about this ROM. So thank you guys.